Hello guys, it's great to be here. I'm your instructor, Odunfa Oluwagbenga Joseph. I would like to say a big thank you for buying this course, and I can assure you the benefits you will get far outweigh the money you pay to get this course. So, let's get right into it. This is the first lesson of the series of lessons that are contained in this course, Microsoft Excel Made Simple. So let's start. This first part is the introductory part and is primarily made for those with no experience or little experience with Microsoft Excel. So let's start. How do we open Microsoft Excel? First and foremost, you must have Microsoft Office installed on your system before you can use Microsoft Excel. So once Office application is installed on your system, then you can open it by coming to your window icon down here, or you use the search. If you click on the window, it will show you a list of applications. This is where you can access all applications on your system. You can come to the search bar and put Excel. You will see your Microsoft Excel icon here. Click on it to open Microsoft Excel work environment for you. This is Microsoft Excel work environment. What is this environment all about? If you look on top of it, you have what is called the title bar. The title bar. The title bar consists of autosave, save icon, you have redo, undo, you have the name of your book. This is book 3. You have search, and then you have minimize to minimize the window, maximize to make it bigger. If it's smaller, this is minimize now. This is maximize, reduce. You can maximize it to increase it, and then your X, which stands for close. Now, under the title bar, you have what is called menu bar. So, menu bar consists of menu functions like file, like home, like insert, draw, page layout, format, and the rest of it. So we use most of these menus in the course of our tutorial lessons. So after the menu bar, you have your standard toolbar. Standard toolbar consists of lots of icons that serves as a shortcut to carry out different functions on your Microsoft Excel work environment. Under the standard toolbar, you have your cell referencing bar where you have your cell reference, the cell name, where you are currently located, and then you have your function bar where the function that you type in or the formula you type in, any text that you type in a cell will be displayed in this bar. So you can edit, you can update, you can delete right from this bar. Now under the bar you have this alphabet. These alphabets are columns. They are columns. If you click on it, you have A, B, C. That's column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, like that, on and on. Then by the left, you have numbers. These numbers are your rows. So you have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, continuously down like that. Now, if you look down underneath, you are going to see sheet 1. That is the name of your sheet. That means that this environment that you are currently looking at is a worksheet. This is a worksheet. Why the entire environment is a workbook. Now, inside this workbook, we have this worksheet. This is worksheet 1. You see the name of the worksheet here. If you want to add more worksheets, all you need is to click on the plus icon, which is to add more. If you click on it, you have sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. As much as worksheets you need in your workbook, you can add them to it. Now you can rename the worksheet. All you need to do is to either double click on it, which will be selected. Then let me give the name of this worksheet. Let's call it name. Let's call it name. Press enter. There, we have renamed it. Or we click on it, we right click and we select rename. And we can change the name to numbers. That is how you change the name of your worksheet. Now, everything is a workbook. How do you name your workbook? You name your workbook by saving the workbook. How do you save the workbook? Just go to your file menu here. It will give you a drop down list. Then you click on save. Then you have the option of where you want to save the document, cloud, OneDrive, or on your system. So I want to save on this my system, so I'll click on browse. Select the actual location on the system where I want to save my workbook. Now I will have the file name. So let me call this file name student. Let's call it students. Student, all right. So students, that's a file name. Now where do I want to store or save this workbook? You come to the left hand side, you see desktop, download document. I want it on my desktop, so I click on desktop and then I'll come down and click on save. So the workbook has been saved on my desktop. If you look up now, you will see that it's no longer bearing book 3, but it's now bearing the name I gave to it, that is student, because it's now a saved document and the name is student. So once I'm done working with my workbook, I have to close it. So all I just need to do is to come to the top right corner where you see your close button, click on it, the document is closed. So I saved it on my desktop. This is my desktop. If I come right here, this is it, student. So how do I reopen a closed document? Two ways. Either you right click on it and you click on open, that will open the document. Then we can continue the work we are doing on it. Or we can simply double click on it, click twice, very fast, and we have it opened. That's our workbook, student workbook. So guys, that is the introduction to Microsoft Excel environment. Hope you understand it. Please practice hands-on, get familiar with it, since we won't be coming back to this section so that we can be on the same page. And not to be underestimated, guys, any soft skill you are learning on a PC requires practice. So open your PC, practice along as this lesson is going on, and I can assure you, you will be happy you do. See you in the next class. Thank you.